Happy Friday, beautiful babes. Listen, it's that time. Listen, I got up with the intention of getting in that little raggedy bathroom and getting it started, you know, with the upgrades and you know, whatever you call it. It ain't no renovation. It's just a little bit of upgrading. So I am doing that today. But it's actually afternoon because I slept all morning. I didn't go to bed till like 3:30, 4 o'clock. And, you know, that's how it goes. But anyway, I'm getting started today on the bathroom. As y'all recall, this is where we started at. Y'all remember those? And then we got the shower installed. Cute, huh? Well, now it's time to take care of that old-fashioned blue and those dusty walls and the ceiling, get it all refreshed, and start buying some new trinkets to go in there. So if y'all are ready for it, I'm ready for it. So if you love these kind of videos, let your girl know, because I will take you along with me during this process, the entire process. Now, of course, I won't be finishing in one day, so be mindful of that and just hang out with me as I do what I do. And of course, Mike's going to help me for some of the things, because you know, everything I can't do by myself, but for the most part, it'll be me. You know, it'll be me. As a matter of fact, he's helping me right now because Home Depot was supposed to deliver the paints that I needed, and I guess I got to pick them up at the store. That's what it says on site right now, online right now. So I'm gonna have him to make that errand run for me. So I'm all ready for, you know, getting all dusty. Yeah. So anywho, let's get to it. Thanks for coming to hang out with me on Behind the Scenes. And it's for real behind the scenes. Let's get it. Taking that out already. And so far I've removed most things off of the wall. That little hole there, we had some, plumbing or wiring that we had to do right there, Mike?
What?
In the little area right there.
That was the little cabinet, you know, the hole that had the mirror on it. You pull it over and hold your toothbrushes.
I thought we had some issue in there, wall. That's why we went in there. Okay, so anywho, that was that, and I've taken off of the plates off of the switch outlets, and I'm gonna go ahead and cover that shower area up and start scraping the ceiling right now. So let me take that little piece off of the blind there, up there, that little curtain rod holder, and that'll be it for this moment. And we're gonna probably do a little painting today. Okay, so that's it. I know the lighting is really bad right now. All I'm getting ready to do is just wipe down the walls and everything to cleanse off all the dust and all of that for right now. And then I'll start on taking some things like that little curtain rod holder and start scraping. I know it's like kind of backwards, but I want to just kind of get some of the dust cleaned off and then create some more dust. How about that? Just want to do that for now, since I am kind of at a standstill with what I want to do. I'm just taking some cleansing alcohol, as a matter of fact, and a little half and half water to spray down the walls. That'll kind of strip off any oils or things like that that's hit the walls and kind of cleanse it up. This will take a little while to get done, so I'm gonna get started on it. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and call Mike too while he's at Home Depot. He can pick up the new toilet, so let me do that. Okay, I'm back from doing that. Mike didn't want to pick out the toilet. He said he don't want to hear no complaints, but we're gonna see what he does. He may pick it up. We're gonna see. I don't need to be there for it, I don't think. Let me go get me a bigger towel. Because it is a lot of dust around here. And this is basically all I'm going to be doing here, y'all, is just kind of wiping down everything. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Alright, I've done pretty much all of the scraping on the ceiling that I can do. I am going to call our electrician just to see if he can get us another vent, because that one, once I scraped all the paint off, it was rusty under there. Of course, like I said, the house was built in 1958, so what can you expect? You know, it's a lot of little things that need to be done. I've scraped over there, and I've scraped other areas of it to try to smooth it out. Now I'm going to go ahead and, you know, caulk those areas or smooth them out with whatever that stuff is that you smooth it out with, okay? I'm not a home repair person, so guess what? I think I got the right stuff to do it, okay? So I'll start on that next. Alright, that's the old toilet right there. Don't know how well y'all can see it by the ladder. Mike just picked out a very cute toilet. Is there such thing as a cute toilet? But it's cute. Yes, it is. So I am finished scraping, as I said, and I'm going to go ahead and start using what they call joint compound. That's what I got. I got joint compound, y'all. That's what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now and take care of the ceiling area. Yes, and all of the little wall areas where the little nicks and screws and stuff and nails have been. So I'm going to do that right now. So in case y'all want to know what I'm using for refinishing the tile, this is it. BATHWORKS Professional Bathtub Tile and Sink Coating. And I got it from Home Depot, but you can also find it, I think, on Amazon. If you do get it, I think it's going to take a little bit longer to ship, and it took a while before I got it even at Home Depot. So anywho, now this is the bathroom so far. Alright, y'all, partially got my mask off, but this is what it's looking like so far. And that's the blue it was, and we're turning it to the white. So don't mind, this area is going to get painted last. So this is what it's looking like right now. So it's going to be nice and bright in there for sure. Alright, so this is how far I got so far. I've gone all around And I just got to do some touching up since it's dried down. All white. All white. Yeah. Just got to touch up some more on this side here. And we'll finish up painting the wall and the ceiling tomorrow. I decided that the best option, of course, was definitely to do the spraying first. So it's looking real cute. Like I said, I gotta get just a little bit more touching up to do. Of course, y'all know I've been shopping, so I ordered some decor, and I'm gonna finish the floor tomorrow. Mike did get the toilet today, so that's that on that. We got the mirror ordered for over here. And yeah, we got it getting cute, y'all. Getting cute. We contacted the electrician to replace the outtake vent or intake vent. I'm not sure. The out vent for the air conditioner, because that one has over the years rusted under there. I see why they have been painting and painting and painting, but it's not going to do it any good. And I did the little caulking or joint compound. Heck, it dried down really good. All I gotta do is probably put some more on the spaces I didn't get to this side over here, but over there that looks great. I'm so proud of me today. So that is it, and I'll catch y'all back here tomorrow, or you know, my tomorrow could be 2 a.m. in the morning. You know, I might be up working for sure. So that's that on that.